Good, beautiful Saturday morning, everybody. Welcome to 256 Garage. We got a shop wide open this morning. It's a pretty day, a little cloudy. Weather's nice. We're gonna walk around and show you what's going on, what we got done. We're gonna start over here in the paint booth. We got us a helper this morning, and Drake.
Yeah.
What you doing? You ready to go to work today?
So we're cleaning out the paint booth.
Mama still in bed? Is Mama being a lazy bum? We can say that because she ain't gonna watch this.
Yeah.
Is Mama being a lazy bum?
Actually, she couldn't get the house clean with the girl.
Wait a minute. She couldn't get the house clean with the girl, but Daddy's cleaning the paint booth with the girl?
Yeah, Daddy's talented.
Them men work wonders, don't they?
Yeah.
Anyway, we get the paint booth cleaned up. You fix to put a what in here?
I guess that Dooley next.
Is that Dodge or Chevrolet?
Chevrolet.
Chevrolet Dooley. Gonna get in here and do some paint work on it.
That's sweet.
Oh, now she's gonna prove us wrong, ain't she?
Yeah.
This guy with the camera scaring me.
Yeah, I know.
We just got the old Maverick over here, got it back from the muffler shop. It's got a few little, what do you call it, gremlins to get out. Let's walk around this side now. Whew, yeah, look at that. Look at that weather out there. We've got a lot full, got an old mud truck fixed, bed repair. I believe the Tahoe out there is just about finished up.
It is finished up. I called him, told him to come get it.
Tahoe's finished up. He called him, come get it. Right here is the trucks going in the paint booth. Alan's getting our gardener ready to get started here.
Yeah, this is one the gardener. He's the one gardener we got.
The one gardener we got. He's playing gardener today for Geraldine's most eligible bachelor.
Yeah. All you ladies, look how cute.
All you ladies, hit below for his Instagram, his Snapchat. We don't want to post it because we don't want him to get blowed up by women. So
Flaming red hair.
look at that attitude. Let's see here. This is a Nissan bed, ain't it? Put the bedside on it. Ain't this a Nissan, Alan?
Yes.
Yeah. Bedside going on it. Right here, hood, repair for this Dodge pickup truck. We got the blue Mustang on the rack. It's covered up right now because we're spraying some primer. But we got the exhaust on it. Got a few spots we want to change on it, get it ready to go the rod run next week. Ford truck, we got the roof stripped back again. Got the dents fixed in it. Got epoxy primer on it. F1, got the front end back on it. Got it covered up because there's a primer here too, but got both fenders on it. Hopefully pretty soon here we can show it a little better. Mustang is painted. Got the back panel, quarter panel sprayed on it. Set outside for what? A day, 10 minutes, and it looks like it's got more Bondo dust on it from pollen than stuff that's been worked with Bondo on it. You can wash it, 10 minutes later it's covered with pollen around here. Hyundai sprayed, ready to go back together. So we get it together, the Mustang together. Good, nice, busy week anyway. Appreciate everybody tuning in. 256 Garage out.